Hey folks, welcome back. As you can see, I'm not in the van. I'm in the office uploading the footage and have discovered that a load of footage was missing. So I just thought I'd give you a little explanation as to why there's a few gaps in the actual events of yesterday and today. So as you can see, I've had a bit of an accident. I was fitting one of those Lagun Table Legs, as you'll see in the video, and went to adjust it and it stuck. So I sort of bent over to sort of lift it, and as I pulled it, the top of it came off because I hadn't tightened it on properly. It smacked me in the side of the head. But anyway, that's another story. I'll let you get on with the footage and that I've managed to cobble together. So thanks for watching. Catch you later.
Well, there we are, Arnie basking in the sunshine, Simba in the driving seat. Well, I've been away working this week, and while I've been away, Sandra's done a load of painting. Well, there's a couple of bits still to be done, so we'll get on with that. My mission for today is carpeting the back doors. Here's Simba coming to say hello to you all. As I was saying, I'm going to strip all that crud off the back doors and carpet them today. So while I've been away, the little button lock for the toilet door has arrived. So once Sandra finishes painting, I can get that fitted. That's another one to be ticked off the tick list. I'm also going to try and get the passenger seat back in again, because I'm not obviously going to have time to wire the other seats that I'm fitting, because they're electric. Anyway, today's mission: remove that stay, take all that old adhesive and foam. I'll come back to you when I've done it. So here we are. This is the carpet that's going on. It's called Heather. It's from a company called Vandalised. So as you can see, I've sanded down the back doors and fitted the carpet. I must say, it looks really well. Carpet on, window back in, and that's the metal panel that covers the locks. I'm going to do that in a contrasting carpet, a different colour. So that's the other one done. Same again. You can see the indentations, the bits to cut out, so I've just glued them, adds to a bit of insulation. And that's the metal panel that forms the door handle. So I'll carpet that up, as I say, in another colour, just to make it look interesting. May even fashion a little Mercedes badge into it. As you can see, it's neat stuff. The rubbers will get eventually replaced, because they're all a bit tired. And there we go. That's them with the blinds fitted on the inside. So you have fly screen, blackout, just a wee bit sticky. There you go. So up, and then the split in half. You can have no blind. Pull down for fly screen. Really pleased with them. They look really good. They finish off the windows nicely. So that was that mission done. So yeah. I also replaced all the screws in the wall panels with rivets, because I'm going to carpet the walls with the same Heather carpet. So that should be make a big difference, make it look more interesting. as you can see, we've fashioned a new table. The table that we had with the van was very heavy, so when we put it on the Lagun leg, it was just bouncing. Well, as you can see, this Lagun leg adjusts quite a bit, so we'll be able to use it in the bed as well because it raises up in height. And as you can see, cushions, they've been cut down, so that's another mission, another thing ticked off. Simba, and you say hello. I've put the passenger seat back in for the moment. I'm going to give that a clean up. I'll get the steamer out and give them a clean up, so we can get the use of them for now. That's the other bits of foam ready to be cut. So this table that we've fashioned up, I'll give it all a good sand down and strengthen it up a bit, and Sandra can give it a good paint up and make it look respectable for the moment. The table leg, in case you wonder what the wee bit of wood is, it's just to strengthen up, so I've just sort of put it in to try it because, as I said, the table was bouncing, so I'm going to fashion up a piece that will go down to the ground and give it an extra bit of strength, and that should be that. Anyway, that's about it from Simba and myself. Thanks for watching, people. Take care out there, folks. Ta-ra for now.